Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to download and install Minecraft on your iPhone. So before we get started, let's make sure your iPhone is compatible. So Minecraft requires iOS 10 or later, so head over to your settings to check your settings here and then go to General and then tap on About. So from here, you can check your software version, and if your device is running iOS 10 or above, you're good to go. Now let's download Minecraft. Open the App Store on your device, right? And then from here, just have to tap on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then go to the search box and type Minecraft. So from here, just need to look for the official game developed by Mojang, and it should be at the top of the list with a distinctive blocky icon, right? And once you find it, tap on the price button to purchase the game. Now here you'll be prompted to confirm your purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. So depending on your settings. Then after that, the download will begin. So after the download completes, the Minecraft icon will appear on your home screen. And then just have to tap it to launch the game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.